Hello everyone. Here is a little bit of tutorial and knowledge on how to repair and replace your motorcycle lining brake. So, as for this video, we are going to work on a Modenas Chris 110. Here we go.
First, what we must have?
First, safety gloves, standard plier and winch key size 12, 14 and 17.
Firstly, we must wear safety gloves to make sure our own safety. By using wrench key 17, put on the right side of the back tire and use wrench key 14 on left side. Twist the left wrench key on CCW to open it while holding right wrench key. You can use this step to help you push out the shaft. Separate all parts to ease your work.
As you can see, there is another nut and screw on this side. Use wrench key 12 to turn it open.
If it is hard to open it, try to use some oil to help you make it easier.
After unscrewing the nut, pull the holder plate out.
And then you can see the lining brake inside that.
Take out the part of the lining brake. Now you can see the surface on the lining brake. Either it is bad or good.
How to make sure the lining brake are good or not?
You can see the thickness of the dark part. If it look thin, that means your lining brake have to change.
Anything can happen when lining brake becomes thin, such as hard noises from the brake, and you may get involved in road accidents.
And after you have condition your lining brake or change the new one. Put the lining brake on case and install to the tire. As usual, put all parts together like on this video.
Start by putting the shaft through the middle. Use your strength to push the shaft in.
Do not forget to put this part on the right side.
Put in the nut and use your finger to twist it.
After that, use the wrench key on the right and left side like usual.
Do not forget to put and lock the nut for your holder plate on brake case by using the wrench key.
To make sure you didn't lose the nut, use this pin to lock it by using pliers to bend it. Test your brake by starting your motorcycle and engage the brake pedal.
If it grips, that means it is a success. Yay!
Now we go to front tire.
We start by using wrench key 14 on the left side. while holding on the right side by using wrench key 12.
Pull out the shaft with your hand and you can follow the step on the video. Same thing to do on the front brake like before.
Take out the lining brake.
Check the surface and thickness of the black part of the lining brake.
Make sure the condition are good, and if the condition are bad, you must change the new one.
Now, we continue to reinstall the landing brake back. Follow the step on the video.
Align the tire with hole and put the shaft back.
Lock the nut by using the wrench key 14 on the left side while holding the wrench key on the right side. Last but not least, after all the parts are reinstalled, test run your brake if they function well or not. Good luck on trying!
Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.